It's what we do. Deliver cutting-edge manufacturing automation solutions tailored to the unique needs of every one of our clients. But it's the why we do it that matters most. It's the medical devices and the speed they can be produced that ensure family smiles continue year after year after year. It's the EV and hydrogen fuel cell solutions that make not only our next day, but our next generation more sustainable than it was the day and year before. It's the safety from industrial products that protect your loved ones to the high standard only you would approve. It's the rapid advancements in technology that make our world a better place. This is why we do what we do. And it's all for you. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com